Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone, honorable judges, and respected audience here today. In this occasion, let me give a speech with the title about human rights and social justice. Before going to the speech, ladies and gentlemen, how are you today? Yes, I think it is a good day. So, talk about human rights. Do you know what is human right? We always call about human right and social justice, and there is in this constitution and then after in the Pancasila number 5. But what is definition? Human right is a fundamental right that is universal, recognized as a right that is inherent in human because there extends in human and nature as human. So, universal. We call universal because human rights, these are stated of the humanity in every human being, regardless skin color, gender, age, and the other cultural background, religion, and belief. So, meanwhile, it is inherent because this right is owned by every human being because their existence as human and not given from any authority. Because there are inherent, human right cannot be taken away. And after, social justice. Talk about social justice. There is in Pancasila number 5, I think you know. But what is that? Social justice is the right for every citizen in Indonesia who is in this country. The legal treatment is not different between upper and lower class. So, ladies and gentlemen, every human has a right to reside that love fair and equal to others. Human right and social justice cannot be separated from each other because human right is the most important part of social justice. And social justice cannot be run smoothly without human right. And then after, in the current situation, we can see how human right and social justice is not being implemented well in this country, although it is already in this constitution regarding this matter. One which of the constitution about human right in the article, namely 39 of 1999, and social justice in the article number 33 and 34 of 1090 and 45. So, ladies and gentlemen, the legal situation in Indonesia often viscerate blunt outward and short downwards. This means the law in Indonesia is not precise, certainly and real, especially for the weak parts. The law enforcement is not effective and applies to the who people who have the interest, people who have the power, but just effective and applies to small commit criminals or small crimes. So, meanwhile, the perpetrators like nepotism, corruption, collusion, who commonly said white collars criminals are very difficult to touch. This situation is very concerning, where the interest people is priorities, so the people can reduce the law. From that, from the argument, we know why Indonesia often be said blunt upward and short downwards. So, everyone, we can get the one example from the case about Gremina and Tree Cacao, and between the Gremina and Tree Cacao, and then after Juliari Peter Batubara, we know how the difference between upper and lower class and how the law enforcement being like knife. Germina and Three Cacao. Germina installed for the 5 for the 1.5 in the prison and 3 months for the probation period because she stole the three cacao and then after she just want to make a seeds because she cannot afford it. But in 2021 August 23 in this country Juliari Peter Batubara who accept brands 3.4 billion in the from the partners COVID-19 social assistance or we can say social assistant at the Ministry of Social Affairs. Is I think, ladies and gentlemen, you have to listen that. So there's many corruption and act like this punishment, but it is reduced because you in the upper class. So Giuliani Peter Batubara just need to 12 years old in prison and fine 50 hundred. So from the case, I hope we are the young generation can change our thing, change our minds, how to make the human rights and social justice implemented, how to make our country in the low high quality. So from the case, that's all on my speech. Thanks for your opportunity. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.